Hello friends, hope you're doing well. If we are using Windows 10 and it is working very slow, in this video we are going to fix this issue quickly. So the first step you can try is right click on the taskbar, then click on Task Manager. Here you will see this tab Startup, click on it. So these are the startup applications I have in my system. So you have to disable all the startup applications one by one by right click on it, then click on Disable. So disable all the startup applications. This is your step 1. Now move on to a next step. If your Windows 10 is working very slow, you can apply this method. Click on Windows icon and then type View Advanced System Settings. Here you will see the option of View Advanced System Settings. Click on it. Now click on this Advanced tab. In the Performance column, you will see this option Settings. Click on it. Now you have these 4 options. So go for the third one, adjust for the best performance. Select this option, then click on Apply, then click on OK, then click on OK. This is your second step. Now move on to our final step. In the final step, we are going to delete all the temporary and unnecessary files from our system. So for this, click on the Windows icon, then type Disk Cleanup. You will see the option of Disk Cleanup at the top. Click on it. Now you have to select your C drive. C drive contains the operating system. Select the C drive, then click on OK. Now you have to select all the options. So these are the temporary files in your system. Select all the options and then click on OK. So this will delete all the temporary files from your system. Click on Delete Files. That's it. So these are the 3 steps you can apply to boost or increase your Windows 10 performance. This is all for the video. Thank you.